Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted text messages on an iPhone. Let's start. First, you need to open the Messages app on your iPhone. Here, tap on Edit from your top left corner. Tap on Show Recently Deleted. Here, you will find all of your recently deleted messages. You can select them either to delete them permanently or recover them in your device. So tap on Recover in order to restore them. Then tap on Done. They will get back in the main inbox of your Messages app. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.